Hi everyone, and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we are going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to talk you through some of the major talking points and features of both interior and exterior. And of course I'll go around, take a seat inside the vehicle and go a bit more in depth on the interior features. The vehicle itself is the BMW 330e Saloon. So of course that does mean BMW's plug-in hybrid. And of course I'll talk you through a little bit of the hybrid capabilities along with some of the figures. So you'll see the vehicle itself is presented in the Melbourne red, alongside we've fitted the full YNC Mperformance body styling kit, which you'll see as we make our way around. The vehicle comes with the 19-inch 442M alloy wheels, which are presented in the original Bi-Orbit grey. You will of course already have seen the secondary, what looks like a fuel filler cap. However, this is where you will plug in the vehicle for the charging element of the car, which will come with the provided BMW charging cable, which we will of course show you again very shortly. At the front you'll notice the facelifted LED headlamps. Along with the vehicle is a 2017 plate. Moving down towards the other part of the vehicles, we've got the satin side vinyls, matching sidebars, and of course YNC and Mperformance decals. The vehicle also comes with the sun protection glazing, and inside we've got a very eye-catching and striking interior in the form of the red Dakota leather, which comes with both the heated and the electric lumbar options, along with the very nice aluminum hexagon and estrel blue inserts. So in terms of the fully electric capabilities of this year 330e, it does come with BMW's claimed range of anywhere up to 27 miles on pure electric. That is of course under certain road conditions and of course other lots of variable factors. However, bearing in mind most people's average commute is simply half that, which is of course always a positive. So you could drive to work on pure electric, get to work, plug the car in, charge it up, and then drive home on pure electric once again. But unlike pure EVs, it is a simple fact that if you run out of electricity, that lovely 2-litre turbocharged petrol engine will of course then kick back in, and then you can drive home with both electric and petrol combined, which of course is the big factor when purchasing a hybrid vehicle compared to pure electric. So in the boot, this is where you'll find both the split folding seat option, along with the genuine floor mats, along with, as I mentioned earlier, the genuine charging cable that BMW provide of course. This will plug into any 3-pin socket, so your household sockets or an extension lead is generally what we like to use. However, of course, we are of course all being urged to go towards petrol or of course plug-in hybrids such as this one. So of course a lot of manufacturers or companies are now providing the charging pods that will go onto the side of your house, which come with a factory electric reel, which are higher voltage and of course mean faster charging times. From stone and dead flat, BMW claim a charging time of anywhere up to 3 to 4 hours, and we have done that here ourselves, so I can certainly agree with that one. We'll have one last look at the Isofix rear bench before heading on inside to of course go over a few more of the interior features and details. So I'll quickly start the car up, which again that is now started, which is always something that can take a little bit of time to get used to. However, it is so nice to drive around with nothing making any noise except the tyres, which on this car are the Bridgestone RFT tyres. Another very nice option on this 330e is the radar guided cruise control we have. So we've got the extra buttons here on the steering wheel. So the idea behind radar guided cruise is that you set the distance you would like from the vehicle in front. It slows down, you slow down, it speeds up, you speed up to the set speed that you've already set it at. And of course it has a huge safety factor in mind. We've also got the collision mitigation braking system on this vehicle, as you can see there, turning it on and off just to highlight what that can do. So this will warn you of prior to a collision, and of course also very good for if something steps out and you're a little bit distracted by something, i.e. if you're keeping an eye on your speed in an average camera zone, it will just alert you, it will take action if no action is taken by the driver. Again, back to some of the other features and functions of the car itself, we've got the BMW business navigation and media on board, satellite navigation, Bluetooth audio, and of course telephone, DAB radio, along with a wide array of multimedia inputs. And of course now back over to some of the electric / hybrid side of things. We've got 3 selectable hybrid modes, which are all interchangeable down here on the eDrive mode select. So of course auto is where you're going to want to the car most of the time, so this will flick effortlessly between the petrol and the electric motor and battery system. Max eDrive, this will need the batteries to be fully charged to utilize this. This is when it will just roam around on pure electric till all of that electric is gone. And of course it will harvest some electric of its own using the regenerated braking system. And of course save mode, which is where it will just save and use the petrol engine. However, automatic mode is definitely the one that I most recommend, thanks to it will switch effortlessly, as I've said, between the petrol and electric mode. Bearing in mind, BMW haven't focused this vehicle on being a sole plug-in hybrid. Like some other vehicles, it will still become a fun, responsive, turbocharged petrol engine, but with the added effect, of course, having that very powerful technology behind it, utilising the electric motor to further enhance an already very fun 2-litre petrol engine. So with all our walk around videos, I do hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful. If you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below. Hopefully this will aid in making your informed purchasing decision upon your next car. You'll find all of the relevant contact information, website links in the description, where of course you can view this car on our website and along with all of our funding options and prices. Thank you very much. Do of course take care, and I hope to see you very, very soon. Thank you and goodbye.